Hi there. Today I'm diving into something that might surprise you. Everyday products that could be increasing your risk of cancer. Yeah, it's a heavy topic, but stick around because this is crucial information for protecting yourself and your loved ones. First up, let's talk about processed foods. Many processed foods contain additives and preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. These chemicals help preserve the color and flavor of foods but have been linked to cancer risk, particularly colorectal cancer. Ever looked at the ingredients list on your favorite snack? It might be time to start. Next, cleaning supplies. We all want a clean home, right? But some of the chemicals in these products can be pretty harmful. Ingredients like formaldehyde and ammonia can increase cancer risk with prolonged exposure. Switching to natural cleaning solutions can be a safer bet. Baking soda and vinegar, for example, work wonders and are much safer alternatives. Then, there's personal care items. Shampoos, deodorants, and even makeup can contain harmful chemicals like parabens and phthalates. These chemicals are hormone disruptors and have been linked to cancer. Opt for products labeled as paraben-free or phthalate-free to reduce your risk. So how can you protect yourself? First, start reading labels. Look for products with fewer synthetic chemicals. Choosing organic produce when possible can also help, as it reduces your exposure to pesticides. Another tip is to look for trusted certifications. Labels like USDA Organic or EWG Verified can guide you towards safer choices. And don't hesitate to do a little research. There are plenty of resources online where you can find reliable information on product safety. Making these changes might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, even small steps can make a big difference. By being more mindful about the products you use, you're not only protecting yourself, but also advocating for a healthier environment. And here's where you come in. Demand greater transparency from manufacturers. Voice your concerns and support legislation that promotes stricter safety regulations. Together, we can create a consumer landscape that prioritizes public health. Share this information with friends and family. The more people know, the bigger the impact we can have. Let's create a ripple effect of awareness. In the end, staying informed and making mindful choices can contribute to a brighter, healthier future for all of us. So start today. Read those labels, choose wisely, and take control of your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you next time.